There's been a lot of pressure in my life to go back to school, get a different job, do something that is safer for me as a female. There are some men that they don't want to see you there. It's not a woman's place to be on a lobster boat. I'm just a girl that works in a male industry. That pressure only makes me want to do what I'm doing more. I can't see myself not on a boat at this point. You can leave all your problems at the dock and you know that all you have to go do is this job.